facing a lot of record-breaking extreme weather conditions this year so far, and the snow is no exception. The capital area is covered by its heaviest November snow on record. While snow removal work didn't seem to be catching up with the blizzard earlier in the day. Overnight, nearly 8 centimeters more snow has piled up in the capital. Concern is on the rise as more snow is in the forecast for most of central areas, with snow warning issued in the capital and northern parts of Chungcheongbuk-do Province. And of course, a strong wind is no help. Snow looks to come down heavily during the morning, with 3 to 8 centimeters in the forecast in the capital and surrounding regions. Heavier in Gangwon-do and Chungcheongbuk-do Province, with up to 15 centimeters in the forecast. Now, afternoon temperatures should go up a couple of degrees higher at 4 degrees here in Seoul, 9 degrees Celsius in Daegu, but feels like temperatures should be much lower with biting winds. A mix of rain and snow continues tomorrow, so please take it easy and stay safe out on the road. That's Korea for you, and here's a look at the international weather conditions.